Iran has sharply escalated tensions with the United States. It has accused Washington of maritime piracy. Amid a growing confrontation in the Strait of Hormuz, the narrow sea lane is one of the most critical oil shipping routes in the world. Tehran said the US naval blockade is illegal. It claimed American forces are interfering with commercial shipping. Iranian officials argued that such actions violate international law. They also warned that the move threatens global energy security. In response, Iran has reimposed the strict military control over the strait. The Iranian military said the measure is necessary. It aims to protect national sovereignty and it also seeks to secure the vital oil exports. And the official stressed that Iran will not allow its economic lifeline to be choked. Reports indicate heightened military activity in the region. Iranian naval units are now closely monitoring all vessels. Some ships have reportedly been stopped and inspected. Others have faced delays while passing through the waterway. There are also unconfirmed reports of warning shots. These incidents have raised fears among global shipping companies. Insurance costs for tankers have surged. Many operators are now reconsidering routes through the region. The United States has defended its action. It says the blockade targets Iranian-linked vessels. Washington claims the move is part of a broader pressure measures. It aims to curb Iran's strategic capabilities. US officials insist that freedom of navigation remains a priority. However, Iran has rejected the argument. It says selective restrictions amount to economic warfare. Tehran warned that any continued pressure will be met with stronger countermeasures. It also signaled that the strait could remain under tight control. The situation has triggered global concern. Nearly one-fifth of world's oil passes through the Strait of Hormuz. Any disruption can have immediate economic consequences. Energy markets are already reacting to the uncertainty. Oil prices have shown volatility. Analysts warn of a potential supply shock. Countries dependent on Gulf oil are watching closely. India, China, and several European nations are particularly exposed. Diplomatic efforts are underway. Multiple countries have urged restraint. Calls for de-escalation are growing louder. However, there are no clear signs of a breakthrough yet. Experts say the risk of miscalculation is high. Even a small incident could trigger a wider conflict. The heavy military presence on the both sides adds to the danger. For now, the standoff continues. The Strait of Hormuz remains tense. Global markets and government are now on edge. The coming days will be crucial in determining the course of this crisis. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.